Day 2 of the Mpumalanga off-road explosion, and we're still going. And as I told you, that it's not always about the off-road and the big engines and the 4x4s, but it's also about the experience of spending the whole weekend here at Sudwana Fanscapes. And if you're like me and you don't have your own camping gears, there are partners that we've partnered with. And if you're here last night, you have seen the whole street all lit up, looking absolutely beautiful in nicely and neated packed tents. And right now we have the owner of the one and only Let's Go Camps and Tours. They're responsible for all this beauty that we saw and have got with Oba Prabongani Magwaza. Good morning. Day 2, you're still looking fresh, you're still looking well rested.
Are we going strong, Baba?
Yeah.
Are we going strong? Well, as you can see, with the campsites, it's our first year actually. But then going forward,
amazing for a first year.
I'd say we did well.
Yeah.
The festival, well, it favored us. But we intend to do more next year.
Yeah.
What we picked up is that the people actually do want that camping space, but they want more services. They want to be catered to. They want private showers. They want private ablution areas. So we definitely will be delivering that in the coming event of 2027. So yeah, it was just minor glitches here and there, but everything went very smooth.
Yeah.
And as you can see, we are right next to the festival.
You are.
So yeah.
Stone throw, and it was like beautiful. I love the lighting. I love everything that. So what is in the tent? If I were to go say, I want to go and book Let's Go Camps and Tours, what do we get? What comes with your tent? And then how much does it cost?
Well, my brother, it's next to nothing, actually. Yeah. What we do is we offer a package, right? In that package, people will have an option of getting breakfast and dinner. In their tents, their interior will contain inflatable mattresses.
Sure.
There's also stretcher mattresses. There's a light inside the tent. There's a rug, a mat.
Sure.
There's also a side table. So we try by all means to make sure that your tent is comfortable, just like your hotel room. You see, so yeah, and then outside the tent, we also offer the dining shelter areas.
Sure.
We offer braaiing areas. There's place for breakfast. There's place for making your morning coffee. There's place to get your morning rust. Basically, there's everything there to get you going.
Sure. Is it not a fixed place, or you do that at various events on camping tours?
No, we do on various events.
Sure.
Yeah, we are all over the place. So you'll find us on there's different events. You'll always find us. We offer the same service. It offers the catering package as well as your accommodation package, and as well as your festival ticket. So when you order through us, that basically you just give us a call and tell us what it is you want. Then we do everything for you. You just pack your blanket and your pillow.
Sure.
For hygienic purposes.
Yeah.
People want their own blankets and their own pillows.
Their own sheet.
Yeah, and their own sheet. So they bring their own sheet, and then we'll offer the tent, and then we'll make your stay as comfortable as possible.
Yeah.
And our job is actually to make the experience of the festival for the customer very, very exciting.
And it does.
Yeah,
it does. Because I think there's one thing that it takes away is the stress of trying to pack and remember everything that must go into camping. That you can just rock up with your blanket, with your pillow, and that's it. You'll find everything all sorted. And most importantly, the tent is already pulled up.
Yes.
One of the biggest thing. So I mean, being your first time in an Mpumalanga off-road explosion, how was that experience?
Oh, my brother.
Yeah.
I don't know if I should unpack these tents or maybe.
Yeah.
Look, I really would advise a lot of guys to start paying attention to these events.
Sure.
The off-road events.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of guys, and you don't. It's not an event that will drain your pocket. You know, it's an event that will just give you that out of your comfort zone feeling. You know, so. My advice is a lot of guys should come to these events.
Sure.
Yeah, no.
And for someone who says, okay, I definitely want my next camping experience to be catered and actually curated by Let's Go Tents and Camp Tours, how do they get hold of you, and what is the process there?
Okay, we have a website. It's www.letsgocampsandtours.co.za.
Yeah.
We have a TikTok page, Let's Go Camps 1.
Yeah.
We have a Facebook page, it's Let's Go Camps. And then our phone number is 072-091-8522.
Yeah.
Alternatively, it's 076-041-4385.
Sure. Listen, if you don't want to come for the campsite, you can definitely come for the beautiful lights that you're going to see. I mean, it's almost like a whole street with your neighbors there. A very expensive street of camping. But that's it. Like I said, we're bringing you all the people who've made this magical event come alive. And of course, they've catered for the whole weekend. We're here, beautiful camps. Go check them out, their Facebook page, all their available public platforms. That was from it. We're still continuing day 2 of the Sudwala Funscapes hosting the Mpumalanga Off-Road Explosion.